Hello everyone, welcome back to Stock Market Meridian. Today is June 24th, 2026, and you're watching today's post market report. Let's begin with overall market performance. Today, Indian markets made a strong recovery from yesterday's lows and rallied sharply with gains of more than 1%. The biggest highlight of today's market session was that Nifty 50 successfully crossed above the crucial 24,000 psychological level, showing strong bullish momentum. The main reason behind today's market recovery was the sharp fall in global crude oil prices. Brent crude oil futures fell sharply by 1.8% today, fallen below $75 per barrel for the first time since March 2nd, 2026, making it the weakest level seen since February 27th, 2026, right before the initial US-Israel strikes on Iran. Meanwhile, WTI crude oil fell over a low as $72 per barrel. Prices are crashing because oil tankers are now openly crossing the critical Strait of Hormuz with their satellite signals switched on, showing that ship owners are regaining confidence following a US-Iran ceasefire deal. And the International Energy Agency notes that UAE oil exports has already soared to 85% of Abu Dhabi's pre-war levels. Furthermore, a 60-day sanctions waiver granted to Tehran by Washington is surfacing the way for Iranian production to quickly hit the market. This drop is a massive win for companies that uses oil as a raw material. Crude oil sensitive Indian shares like HPCL, BPCL and Interglobe Aviation all rallied up over 4.5% on today's session as their potential input cost decreases. While oil inventories are still technically falling according to the American Petroleum Institution, and the massive de-escalation of war risk in the Middle East is dominating market sentiment right now. Now let's move to company specific updates. First update is from Tata Motors commercial vehicle. Global brokerage have turned highly bullish after Tata Motors 2026 Investor Day presentation. Top brokerage CLSA has raised its domestic commercial vehicle market share target from 36% to 40%. And the biggest growth catalyst is the Iveco acquisition deal. Analysts believe this deal can significantly strengthen Tata's global presence, improve technology capabilities, and reduce earnings volatility. CLSA has maintained an outperform rating with a target price of 527 rupees per share, indicating strong upside potential from current levels. And the brokerage expects Tata Motors to maintain healthy double-digit EBITDA margin throughout the business cycle. With this positive update, Tata Motors stock rallied over 4% during the session and closed with gains of around 2.5% today. Next, Deccan Gold Mines has just hit a historic milestone. A mega gold mining project has officially been launched in South India. The Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh has officially inaugurated a massive 405 crore gold mining and processing project. This landmark venture is located at Jannagiri in the Kurnool district of Andhra Pradesh. The project is as a major breakthrough for Deccan Gold Mine Limited and its partner Geo Mysore Services, marking a massive transition from exploration to active commercial operation. This venture stands as one of the country's largest private sector gold mining initiative, aiming to boost local industrial growth, generate hundreds of jobs, and bring significant royalty revenue to the state. But interestingly, despite this positive news, Deccan Gold Mine stock fell sharply today. The reason could be simple profit booking, because the stock has already rallied nearly 76% over the last 6 months to 1 year and was trading nearly all-time highs. So investors may have booked profits after the major positive trigger. And next update is from Trent Limited. Trent shares were amongst the top gainers today. The company's AGM created strong bullish sentiment. During financial year 2026 AGM, Chairman Noel Tata said Trent is still in the earlier stage of growth. He revealed a highly ambitious long-term target of achieving 10 times growth in revenue and profits. This growth will come from launching new retail formats, expanding internationally, and aggressively opening new stores. To support this expansion, the company also plans major investments in supply chain and infrastructure. Global brokerage like Morgan Stanley and domestic brokerage like Motilal Oswal remain highly bullish. Following this update, Trent stock jumped more than 4% in today's market session. Before moving further, a quick reminder. I upload pre-market videos every morning before market opens and post-market videos every evening after market closes. So if you don't want to miss any important update related to the markets, make sure to stay connected and please subscribe to the channel. Next, Equitas Small Finance Bank has just announced a massive capital boosting plan. The bank's board has officially cleared a major multi-part fundraising strategy. The board has given the nod to rise up to 500 crores by issuing debt securities such as non-convertible debentures on a private placement basis. Additionally, the bank plans to pull in up to 1250 crores through a qualified institutional placement widely known as a QIP. Combined, this injects a massive 1750 crores in fresh liquidity to strengthen the bank's balance sheet and support its long-term lending growth. This fundraising plan are now awaiting final approval from banks, shareholders, and necessary regulatory authorities before rolling out. Next, Oberoi Realty has officially received HRERA approval for its upcoming real estate project in Haryana. This crucial regulatory milestone officially clears the path for the builders to kick off its formal project launch, open sales booking, and build a massive new revenue pipeline from Haryana property market. This move marks a major shift in the company's geographic strategy. By expanding well beyond its core stronghold in Mumbai market, Oberoi Realty is significantly strengthening its geographic diversification to capture pan-India growth. With this news, stock price gained over 2.5% in today's market session. Next update is from Man Infra Construction Limited, also known as MICL Group. The company secured IOA intimation of approval for its premium Radio 2.0 project in South Mumbai. This project has an estimated GDV gross development value of over 2000 crores. This approval allows the company to proceed. This approval allows the company to proceed with demolition, redevelopment, and final approvals will receive before launch in financial year 2027. The project is spread across 46,000 plus square feet in one of South Mumbai's premium residential location. MICL holds a 50.5% stake in this venture. Now here's the interesting part. Including this and other South Mumbai projects, MICL's total development pipeline has crossed 8,000 crores GDV, gross development value. But the company's current market cap is only at around 4,000 crores. That means its project pipeline is nearly double its current market valuation. Next, a major bulk deal has just hit the exchange involving Bollywood legend Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan offloaded 1,23,622 equity shares of DP Whites, a manufacturing company based in Madhya Pradesh. This transaction represents a 0.79% stake in the company, and the shares were sold on Tuesday at an average price of 200 rupees 84 paisa per share, making the total value of sale exactly 2 crores 48 lakhs. Before this sell-off, Amitabh Bachchan held a 2.11% stake, over 3 lakhs 27,000 shares at end of the March quarter. Interestingly, the data shows he did not just sell, he also turned around and purchased 41,566 shares on the same day at a slightly lower average price of 199 rupees 90 paisa per share, and it's worth around 83 lakhs rupees. Despite a celebrity investor reducing their overall stake, the stock reacted incredibly well. Shares of DP Whites jumped up over 4% in today's market session. Final update is from a SME company, E2E Transportation Infrastructure Limited. The company has emerged as the lowest bidder for a major railway contract. This contract comes from Malda division of Eastern Railway. The company will install advanced electronic interlocking system across multiple railway stations. Now here's why this matters. The contract size is around 48 crores 78 lakhs. Yes, the number may be look small, but compared to the company's market cap of around 480 crores, this order size is nearly 10% of its. That's quite significant. And the project execution timeline is 12 months. So those are the overall today's market updates. Market sentiment remains strongly positive, mainly due to easing crude oil prices and reducing geopolitical tensions. Now, important question is, can this bullish momentum continues tomorrow, or was today's just a short recovery rally? That's something we need to watch closely in tomorrow's pre-market setup. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow in pre-markets report. Until then, signing off. Bye bye. Jai Hind.